Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Parrot Puzzle. I hope you're well. It's the 12th of February. It's Valentine's week. Woo! And half term. It's busy weeks, hopefully. Well, busier than we have been anyway, which is cool. So yeah, if you haven't booked that table yet at your favourite local restaurant, best you do so. The Dolphin has a fantastic Valentine's menu. They're running all week up until next Saturday. We don't have a fancy menu here. We just have our brand new restaurant menu that's going down really well. And that, coupled with our early bird offer, which is available Tuesday to Friday, when you book between 6 and 7, you get 25% off your food. Bargain. That is a bargain. So yeah, book up, guys. Obviously, spaces will be scarce. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, there won't be many spaces left, so best to book up. Probably all week, because like I say, it is half term. There's lots of families around already. We had a busy Saturday night last night. We were fully booked. The Dolphin was as well, which is fantastic. So yeah, happy days. But you're here for the Parrot Puzzler. This is what we've got. 20 questions, the normal stuff. Let's get into it. Question 1. Who this week won the Grammy for Album of the Year? And I think they also won 4 Brit Awards last night as well. Question 2. What was the name of Fred Flintstone's wife? Question 3. Which desert is the largest in the world? Question 4. Which film and TV company are behind the cartoon Looney Tunes? Question 15. No, not question 15. I've just given you the answer to question 5. Question 5. How many red balls on a snooker table at the start of a game? Question 6. According to the Bible, who were Cain and Abel's parents? Question 7. Admiral James T. Kirk can be found in which sci-fi TV show and movies? Question 8. What gas is pumped into balloons to make them float? Question 9. Who is the author of The Green Mile? Question 10. What is the capital of Venezuela? Question 11. What kind of meat would you be eating if you were eating coq au vin? Question 12. What is the name of the show that ABBA is currently performing in London's East End? Question 13. Which colour has shades called corn, Dijon and butterscotch? Question 14. Who has the most caps for England's men's football team? Question 15. The Eurasian lynx is a type of what? Question 16. What is the name of the McDonald's clown mascot? Question 17. What measure is used to measure the height of a horse? Question 18. What kind of creature was Puck in A Midsummer Night's Dream? Question 19. Paul Merton and who else are team captains on Have I Got News for You? And question 20. Gravlax is usually made using what fish? That's it, guys. That is your 20 questions. Yeah, happy days. So obviously you're watching this on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, please, guys. Give us a like and a follow. Leave your scores and comments below. Share with your friends. Happy days. But yeah, let's go through these answers. Let's see how well you've done. Question 1, who this week won Grammy for Album of the Year? It was Harry Styles. Question 2, what was the name of Fred Flintstone's wife? It's Wilma. Question 3, which desert is the largest in the world? It's the Sahara. I know there's some sort of like technicality that means like the Antarctic is a desert as well, but no, we're going with the sandy type. Question 4, which film and TV company are behind the cartoon Looney Tunes? It is Warner Brothers. Question 5, I hope you all got this. How many red balls on a snooker table at the start of a game? There are 15. Question 6, according to the Bible, who were Cain and Abel's parents? Adam and Eve. Question 7, Admiral James T. Kirk can be found in which sci-fi TV show or movies? It is Star Trek. Question 8, what gas is pumped into balloons to make them float? It's helium. Question 9, who was the author of The Green Mile? Stephen King. Question 10, what is the capital of Venezuela? It's Caracas. Oh, I'm standing in all my cables. Question 11, what kind of meat would you be eating if you had coq au vin? It would be chicken. Just means chicken in wine. Question 12, what is the name of the show that ABBA is currently performing in London's East End? I haven't seen it, but I've heard lots of good things about it, and I know lots of people who have seen it. It's called Voyage, or Voyage, depending on where you want to put an accent. Voyage, I think, is what they're calling it. Question 13, what colour has shades called corn, Dijon and butterscotch? It is yellow. Question 14, who has the most caps for England's men's football team? It's Peter Shilton. Question 15, the Eurasian lynx is a type of what? It is a cat. Question 16, what is the name of McDonald's clown mascot? Ronald McDonald. Question 17, what measure is used to measure the height of a horse? Hands. Question 18, what kind of creature was Puck in A Midsummer Night's Dream? I'm thinking he was a fairy. Question 19, Paul Merton and who else are team captains on Have I Got News For You? Is Ian Hislop. And question 20, Gravlax is usually made using what fish? Usually made with salmon. That's it, guys. That is your 20 questions. Thank you for watching, playing along. I hope you've done well. Like I said earlier, leave your scores and comments below. Don't forget you can listen to the Parrot Puzzler on ABC Radio on a Sunday morning around 9:30 on the Sunday Breakfast Show. Or you can catch me here every Sunday on YouTube. That's it. Like I say, don't forget to book your tables at the Parrot and the Dolphin. Happy days. Enjoy your week. Have a good half term. Have a good Valentines. Don't know what I was going to say. Happy Valentines. Yeah, spread the love, people. My mouse is not moving. I don't know what's going on. There we go. I'll see you later. Goodbye.